Good morning. From yesterday, I have started giving those words which I am dealing with you at the bottom so that you can listen to me as well as you can note down your words. It would be slightly made easier for you. Just see, I am just giving you everything spoon feeding. I am just feeding you like from my spoons, and you have to do something extra because some of your work which was to be done by you, I have done on your behalf. And I was thinking that some of the children might find, oh, it's slightly difficult, sir. You are putting me in, you are giving a lot of hard work to me. So, just to initially start with, I know because once you start, you can never stop. It's such a fascinating thing, and whole lot of thing it depends on you, your attitude, your positive attitude, how you pick up. Once you pick up, sky the limit, I'm sure, because I'm aware the potentials of the children. They can do anything. I have seen children. If something they like, they won't stop. But only thing is how they like and how would they come to the point from where they will start liking those things. That is the beauty, which is the responsibility of our elders, the teachers, the guardians, to motivate our children. How can they really pick up those things which are essentially required in a student life? Okay, like studies and so many previous days that I have been giving you, I like to start things with certain reminders. As I told you, initially we were going for online classes through the Zoom app, but I have stopped that because of some of the advisory issued by the MHAs that Zoom app is very dangerous or you have to be very careful. So we don't know what are the eventualities waiting against us. So we decided to discontinue that app, and I have decided that the videos which I am giving you, you can follow it up, and for learning word power is English, it would be very, very much sumptuous for you. Mind you, I gave you the word sumptuous, and this is the same word out of those words which I gave you last few days back. Now from today we are going to start with a fresh series of words, and the first word which I took up today is phenomenal. You must have heard, you must have seen Amitabh Bachchan ji on Kaun Banega Crorepati, the kind of presentation, the way he speaks, the way he conducts. Somebody could describe this particular aura as phenomenal. The very way of presentation, how he talks to the participants, how he takes interview, और जब बोलते हैं देवी वो सज्जनों आपके सामने अभी आ रहे हैं और इनका परिचय ये है, maybe that I am not able to copy him out, but the whole set of description is nothing sort of phenomenal. The word is phenomenal. I have chosen this word because the phenomenal word itself is something extraordinary, out of world, something not ordinary. The spelling of the word is phenomena, Phenomenal, phenomenal. This word is made up of from the word phenomena. What is phenomena? It's raining outside. It's formation of rainbow in the sky. That's a phenomena. कोई ऐसी चीज जो कि आसमान में घटित हो रही है, कोई ऐसी घटना जो घटित हो रही है, that is called phenomena. कोई भी घटना घट सकती है. जैसे recently we have seen one of the disastrous phenomena in our society, that outbreak of COVID, coronavirus. That's also a phenomena, Mahamari. But there are series of phenomena in our society happening every now and then. But if something very extraordinary happens, that we can say it was really phenomenal. जो कि साधारण नहीं होता, that is something different, something not ordinary. That is called phenomenal. So just write down the word phenomenal, phenomenal. अब देखो phenomenal की हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? अभूतपूर्व, अभूतपूर्व. Many children they just ring me up and say, sir, इस word का meaning मैं समझ नहीं पाया. तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग फॉर सेल्फ करेक्शन मोड, क्योंकि मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलना है. आई एम स्पीकिंग समथिंग एंड आई एम गिविंग यू सर्टन हिंट सो दैट माई चिल्ड्रन कैन पिक इट अप. दीज आर सम ऑफ द सूत्रास, जिसको बोलते हैं सूत्रों के द्वारा पता चला है कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स ये काम करने जा रही है. तो मैं आपको कुछ फार्मूला बताना जा रहा हूँ. ये फार्मूला ऐसा नहीं है कि रूल ऑफ थंब है. These are some of the techniques, some of the ways, some of the processes which you can adopt in day-to-day life and you can really improve upon. I know God has given enough. You are enough in yourself. But children are very, very, chirpy in nature. They are not very static. Their way of thinking is always dynamic. कभी एक जगह पे स्थिर नहीं होता, इसीलिए एकाग्रचित्त नहीं हो पाता. और एकाग्रचित्त नहीं होने के कारण उनके अंदर एक कंसिस्टेंट रिजल्ट जो लेना होता है वो नहीं मिल पाती. बच्चों को बोल दो कि इसका होमवर्क ले आओ, इसका फीडबैक दो मेरे को, तो फिर एक से एक बहाने सुनने को मिल जाता है. तो और ये अभी लॉकडाउन का पीरियड है. आई बिलीव एंड आई पर्सनली फेल्ट सो दैट इफ आई कैन गिव समथिंग टू माई चिल्ड्रन, व्हाई नॉट इन दिस वेरी पीरियड when most of them might be feeling left out at home or maybe that कि यार क्या करना है. चलो बहुत ज़्यादा बिना bothered हुए if we can learn few things at home, that would be really phenomenal. I am again using the same word phenomenal. तो ये word बेटा phenomenal, 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 इसका मीनिंग क्या है? रिमार्केबल. देखते हो आप टीचर्स डायरी, मॉनिटर्स डायरी जो होती है उसमें कौन सा टीचर पढ़ाया, कौन सा पीरियड हुआ, तो लास्ट में होता है रिमार्क, हाउ शी और ही टॉट. सम ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन राइट एक्सेलेंट, सम ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन दे राइट ऑर्डिनरी. जो टीचर नहीं पढ़ाया ढंग से या जिसके प्रति क्लास में अटेंडेंस अच्छी नहीं रही होगी रिस्पॉन्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, सम ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन राइट ऑर्डिनरी, पुअर, बट सम ऑफ देम राइट phenomenal, superb. So this same word is, you can use it. How was the party? It was phenomenal. I didn't expect that so many persons would turn up. The music party, the band party, and Sarati and Baratis, they were all exceptionally good. So, in nutshell, I can say that party was phenomenal. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? It was remarkable. बहुत अच्छा. Umda. Exceptional. Exceptional. एक्सेप्शनली गुड. इसको हिंदी में आप क्या बोलोगे? अभूतपूर्व, असाधारण. जो साधारण नहीं हो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? असाधारण. और साधारण हो गया तो वो एक्सेप्शनल नहीं हुआ ना, दैट बिकम्स ऑर्डिनरी. सो व्हेन यू हैव टू यूज द वर्ड फिनोमिनल, यू हैव टू बी एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. तो ये सब है. अब नाउ लेट अस कम बैक टू सिनोनिम्स. सिनोनिम्स में क्या क्या आ गया? जैसे मैं अभी बताया एक्सेप्शनल. इससे एक्सेप्शनल कहाँ से बना? एक्सेप्ट, EXCEPT, एक्सेप्ट. सारे लोग थे एक्सेप्ट. जो एक्सेप्ट हो गया मतलब वो अलग हो गया, और उसी से बना एक्सेप्शनल. मतलब नॉट ऑर्डिनरी, इट इज एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. समथिंग एक्सेप्शनल, एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी, रिमार्केबल, आउटस्टैंडिंग, OUTSTANDING, outstanding, brilliant. So these are the words. Amazing, AMAZING, amazing. How was your performance today, beta, in the morning assembly? Mama, it was amazing. I am very happy. MD sir really appreciated my speaking quality. So how do you describe your speech? You describe your speech as something outstanding, remarkable, phenomenal, amazing. Another word is astonishing. ASTNO, astonishing, NISHING, astonishing. This word also fall in the same category. When you have to describe something outstanding, out of the world, too good, astonishing, astounding, A-S-T-O-U-N-D-I-N-G, astounding. I am repeating these words again and again so that it becomes very easy for you to pronounce at your home. That MD sir gave me the word astounding. When these words look very clear, and when somebody speaks to you, and when you hear something from someone, it is in your senses for a while. And once you practice and try to adopt those words as your own, it becomes very important for you and very easy for you to remember for a while. Stunning. Suppose you join a party and your costume is very nice. You come on the stage, somebody remarks, "Oh, he has come in stunning costume." When you see some of the performances by artists, when that looks very meticulous, that looks very scintillating, very eye-catching, so that description is called stunning. S-T-U-N-N-I-N-G. How about the performance? Your mother says, "Beta, you are looking on the stage really stunning." So that is the meaning of the word stunning and the description of the word stunning. How do you describe things? That depends on you. How you practice this word and how often you use this word. It is up to you to adopt this word by using this word quite frequently as and when, so that this word becomes your own in day-to-day practice. Staggering. S-T-A-G-G-E-R-I-N-G. Staggering. Staggering का मतलब है चौंका देने वाला. I didn't believe that your performance would be really staggering. Oh, it was superb. So these are all in superlative degree. Mind you, when these words are described, this is superlative degree one. Good, better, best. In superlative degree means optimum, highest, staggering, marvelous. M-A-R-V-E-L-L-O-U-S. Your performance marvelous. Any description, and most of the characters who were in the characters of Shakespeare, their role, maybe in Othello or what is called in the it was really marvelous. So magnificent. Recently you must have heard that President Trump had visited India, and when he described Taj Mahal, he had gone to visit Taj Mahal. So the journalist asked him, "How did you like Taj Mahal, sir? And what was your first reaction?" He said, "It was really stunning. It was marvelous." So marvelous word is used when you have described in the optimum capacity of appreciation. That is called marvelous, magnificent, wonderful. As you know, the Taj Mahal is included. Some of them include under the seventh wonder of the world. So it was called wonderful. W-N-D-E-R-F-U-L. Wonderful. Sensational. Sensational word is normally used when something very new and unknown to many, it comes all of a sudden. That is called sensational. But it could be used in those situations also when nothing was expected and out of blue it came. No one believed that an ordinary hero would perform so better, so smartly on the stage. So that situation is also described as it was really stunning, it was really sensational, breathtaking. This word I have described many times before also. Breathtaking, सांस रोक देने वाला. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है ना something is going on, and all of a sudden you cannot believe, oh, this part of acting is so superb. सांस रोक देने वाली बात, that is called breathtaking. Mind you, I am giving you these words in description of phenomenal. The word phenomenal. So these are synonyms of the word phenomenal. Out of blue, बहुत ही अच्छा. जब आप describe करना चाहते हो, when you use this word in that superlative degree, then it is used. Inconceivable. In conceive, CONCEIVEABLE, inconceivable, जो कि नहीं कंसीव किया जा सकता, जो कि नहीं हजम हो सकता. अच्छा, इतना बढ़िया. इट इज रियली इनकंसीवेबल. अभी भी हमारे कंट्री में जो मोदी जी को लाइक नहीं करते, फॉर देम टू डिस्क्राइब that our Prime Minister is really a world leader is like inconceivable information to them. उनको पछता नहीं है. वो कहते नहीं यार, हमारे देश का नेता कैसे हो सकता है, वो तो कोई यूरोप का होगा. लेकिन नो, ladies and gentlemen, our leader, our Prime Minister is undoubtedly is a world leader. It is a inconceivable but true. He is a world-class leader. He is leader. Unimaginable. Something which you cannot imagine. That is unimaginable. Imaginable मतलब जो कि सोचने लायक थी या सोची जा सकती थी. But something which could not be imagined. Something which is beyond imagination. That is called unimaginable. It was 30-40 years back, it was unimaginable that India could ever come out from the image of land of snake charmers. तुम लोगों को पता है, आज़ादी के बाद some of the India bashers, they had pronounced that India is a land of, hillocks of land, rivers of food and roars of water. It's a land which is, full of snake charmers. All poor people stay in this country. But over a period of time, and thanks to our own countrymen, their efforts, we have made a very good name in the world fora. And thanks to our Pradhan Mantri Modi ji, he has made all Indians proud by taking yoga to the World Forum and giving good values to the humanity per se. As a result, 7 countries of the world, they have conferred the highest award to our beloved Prime Minister. That shows that not only the reputation of Pradhan Mantri ji alone is going up, but the image of all Indians, we Indians, 135 crore Indians is going up in the eyes of world community. So that is what we have to be using this word in that sense. Unimaginable. 30-40 years back, it was something unimaginable. अभी बताओ, 30-40 साल पहले, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि लाल बहादुर शास्त्री के बाद और थोड़ा सा मिसेस गांधी, जब बांग्लादेश का हुआ था फॉर्मेशन, कितने 5-7 प्राइम मिनिस्टर आए. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी का पीरियड छोड़ दिया जाए, आए गए, किसी को पता ही नहीं था कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर का ये पोस्ट होता है. बट ओनली व्हेन आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर माननीय और ऑनरेबल नरेंद्र मोदी जी के, द रेपुटेशन ऑफ इंडिया इज गोइंग अप अप अप, एंड आई डोंट नो what is the height which is going to touch in days to come. So I would describe the word unimaginable, unimaginable heights which he is taking India up to. Uncommon. एक तो होता है common people, but something which is not common is called uncommon. That is also called phenomenal. Unprecedented. एक होता है प्रेसिडेंटेड, PRECEDENTED. प्रेसिडेंटेड मतलब कल हुआ था, परसों हुआ था, पिछले साल भी हुआ था, होते रहता है, जो घटित होती है उसको प्रेसिडेंटेड बोलते हैं, प्रेसिडेंटेड। लेकिन जो कभी हुआ नहीं पहले, दैट इज अनप्रेसिडेंटेड। कभी आपने सोचा था कि अमेरिका का प्रेसिडेंट इंडिया में आके 1.5 घंटा एयरपोर्ट से लेके स्टेडियम तक जाए, हाथ जोड़ते हुए लोगों को अभिवादन करे और इंडिया की इतनी तारीफ करते हुए जाए? उस डिस्क्रिप्शन को हम क्या बोलेंगे? अनप्रेसिडेंटेड। माइंड यू, इफ यू प्रैक्टिस दिस वर्ड एट होम, दैट वुड गिव unimaginable confidence to your speaking power. That will boost your energy and you would be emboldened to speak better and better. And to speak better, only one mantra is required, that you have to have very good word power and ability and keenness and keen desire to speak up in English. If you can't do that, nobody can stop you. There is a word called prodigious. अभी देखो एक वर्ड है prodigious, PRODIGIOUS, prodigious। कभी कभी देखते हो कोई बच्चा जो होता है जन्मते ही बहुत विलक्षण गुण का होता है, अद्वितीय और असाधारण प्रतिभा का वो मालिक होता है, उसको बोलते हैं ऐसे बच्चे विलक्षण, बहुत ही विलक्षण गुणों वाला बच्चा। ये जो वर्ड फिनोमिनल है ना, फिनोमिनल भी उसी कैटेगरी की वर्ड है, एंड वी कैन डिस्क्राइब इन द सेम सेंस। प्रोडिजियस चाइल्ड, वैसे बच्चे, एक होता है कि बहुत ही मीडियोकर बच्चा, साधारण बच्चा, लेकिन जो बहुत ही एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी होता है उसको बोलते हैं प्रोडिजियस चाइल्ड। आई माइंड यू, जैसे मैं कल बताया था कि हु इज जीनियस? It is ingenious, it is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. What is perspiration? जितने देर तक आप बैठोगे, जितने देर तक आप मेहनत करोगे, जितनी देर तक आपकी चेष्टा होगी काम करने की, जब स्टूडेंट है तो पढ़ने की, जो साइंटिस्ट है वो साइंस में एक्सप्लोर करने की, तो मोर यू परस्पायर, ऑफ कोर्स इंस्पिरेशन इज देयर। If there is no inspiration, perspiration cannot come. So who is genius? 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. More you perspire, more shall be fructifying result. अब देखो मैंने word use किया fructify, FRUCTIFY। fructify मतलब ये word बनाया fruit से। fruit मतलब क्या हुआ? fruit, FRUIT। आइए, जितना मेहनत करोगे उतना ही फल मिलेगा। मोर यू वर्क, बेटर शैल फ्रक्टिफाई इनटू सक्सेस। फ्रक्टिफाई मतलब फलित होना। मोर यू लिव हार्ड, बेटर शैल गेट इनटू फ्रक्टिफिकेशन ऑफ योर सक्सेस। फ्रक्टिफाई डज नॉट कम एज ए मीनिंग ऑफ फेनोमिनल, दिस इज जस्ट टू डिस्क्राइब द वर्ड। रेयर, RARE, रेयर मतलब बहुत कम, रेयर। फैंटास्टिक, FANTASTIC, फैंटास्टिक। हाउ वाज योर परफॉर्मेंस? how did she run? How did that what is called wrestler perform against the Russian wrestler? Fantastic. सुशील कुमार, आप जैसे देखो ये फोगाट सिस्टर, they are all women wrestlers. Their performance at the world arena is fantastic. So we can say that fantastic is a word which is used as synonym of phenomenal. Fabulous, FABULOUS, fabulous. When I have to describe something very superb, phenomenal, I will use the word fabulous. Stupendous, 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 too good. Stupendous, brilliant, mind-boggling, MIND, mind-boggling, BUGGLING. Somebody would also use the word mind-blowing. Oh, बहुत अच्छा, too good, बहुत अच्छा लगा यार। Mind-boggling, mind-blowing, these are the words. Terrific, tremendous, awesome। अब देखो, मैंने कहा था ना कि once you remember few words, if you are going in that description, most of the words would fall. अब जितने awesome के meaning थे, that will come under the phenomenal also. Stellar, STELLAR. Stellar क्या होता है? तारकीय, नक्षत्रीय, मशहूर. Stellar performance. It was stellar. ये भी आता है phenomenal के अंदर. Wondrous, WONDEROUS, wondrous. अब देखो, all together I have named around 45 words which are synonyms of the word phenomenal. कितना आसान हो जाता है. Once you use those words in day-to-day life, you have to just look for a meaning of the word phenomenal. एक बार मैंने आपको बता दिया है. Second time you practice at home, take a dictionary, note down its meaning and start reciting the synonyms, antonyms. You find the magic. Now come to antonyms. Antonyms मतलब वही उल्टा. Bad, familiar. जानते थे भाई, घिसा पीटा. It was not phenomenal. Normal. It was not phenomenal. Phenomenal का उल्टा है ना. Regular. एक होता है irregular. Irregular is something extraordinary, but it is regular. चलता है सब कुछ ऐसा ही साधारण. हाँ, सो था. Unremarkable. आगे मैंने क्या बताया था? Remarkable. Something out of the world. Something really phenomenal. Prodigious. Something astonishing. Something stunning. But this is unremarkable. Mind you, this is antonyms. This is usual. उसमें क्या था? Unusual. जो कि रेगुलर नहीं है. कॉमन प्लेस. हाँ, जो है साधारण जैसा स्पीच होता है वैसा था. कैसी कॉस्ट्यूम थी? इट वॉज नॉट फिनोमिनल, इट वॉज कॉमन प्लेस. लिटिल, पुअर, अनएक्सेप्शनल, प्लेन, सिंपल. गॉर्जियस नहीं था. आई विल नॉट से प्रोडिजियस, आई विल नॉट से गॉर्जियस. इट वॉज टाइनी, कस्टमरी. CUSTOMARY. जैसा है ना, नॉर्मल साधारण वैसा है. लिटिल, पुअर, अनएक्सेप्शनल. उसमें क्या था? एक्सेप्शनल. इट इज अनएक्सेप्शनल. सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स. नाउ जस्ट सी, I gave you one word, phenomenal, and I named around 45 words of synonyms and another 18 words of antonyms. So 49 plus 18, that makes 63 words. In one stroke, you got 63 words. Just imagine, my dear friends and my dear children, how nice it looks. If you just live for a while, slightly, if you just take pain, कितना मजा आएगा. कल की बात मैं फिर से रिमाइंड करता हूँ. You should not ask your school. You should not expect much from your teachers, but you should always try to be in mode to reward your teacher by giving maximum. Sir, I have come prepared with these things. आप मेरे को suggest करो. How is this? Whether it is good, bad, or the best. Now, एक sentence मैं आपको बोलूँगा. Try to remember this. A man is great by deeds, not by birth. आप कभी भी इस गलतफहमी मत रहना कि यार वो बड़े घर में जन्मा है तो अच्छी पढ़ाई कर लेगा. अभी देख लो, मोदी जी के खिलाफ करने वाले बहुत सारे लोग हैं, लेकिन मोदी जी कुछ नहीं बोलते. वो केवल काम करते हैं, अपने काम करते हैं और देश को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. और जितना वो चुप रहते हैं, उतना ही लोग उनको प्यार करता है और कुछ लोग उनके पीछे लगा हुआ है. इसलिए मोदी जी कोई बहुत बड़े ख़ानदान में नहीं पैदा हुए थे, एक साधारण इंसान के घर में पैदा हुए थे, लेकिन he has become bigger than the biggest persons of his time in this life. So a man is known by his deeds, not by his birth. A student would be known by his efforts, hard work, more, not by the family he is associated with or the school he studies. Even if you are studying in a very normal school, but if you can labor hard, you can become our most revered President Abdul Kalam like. He was son of a very poor farmer, father, but he became President of India. I am talking about our revered President and scientist, missile man, Abdul Kalam. I hope this would be sufficient for the day. Thank you.